You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names that look really simple, right? You all know how to pronounce it, or maybe you don't, and I guess that's why you're looking up how to pronounce it. Now, there are different ways of pronouncing it indeed. The most common one in English is definitely Bryan, and it's sometimes spelled with an I. It's going to be the same pronunciation. Now, the origin of the word is from Gaelic, Irish Gaelic, or also Scottish Gaelic, meaning strong. Somebody who is strong. And in Gaelic, Irish, and even Scottish, it is not said Bryan, but rather Brian or Brian, Brian. So if anybody says it as Brian, well, it's not incorrect. But in English, definitely Bryan. Bryan, English pronunciation, Irish pronunciation, Brian or Brian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.